If you want to change the background color in Krita, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to change a flat background layer step by step so you can quickly switch from the default background to any color you want. This is a super useful trick for digital painting, illustration, and creating cleaner canvas setups before you start working. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Krita tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Krita and make sure your artwork or blank document is loaded. By default, Krita often locks the initial background layer to protect it, which means you can't just paint on it right away. That lock is there to prevent accidental changes, but if you want to change the background color, you'll need to unlock it first. Now look toward the Layers docker, which is usually in the bottom right area of the screen. If you don't see it, make sure your Layers panel is open. Inside that panel, you should see your base background layer listed. Next to that layer, there will be a padlock icon. Click that padlock to unlock the layer. Once it's unlocked, Krita will let you edit the background normally. After that, choose the new color you want for your background. You can do this from the main toolbar or through your active color picker group. Pick any color you like, whether you want a plain white background, a dark gray workspace, or a bright custom color for your design. Once your color is selected, go to the left toolbox and find the Fill tool, which looks like a paint bucket. You can also press F on your keyboard to activate it quickly. This tool is the fastest way to apply a solid color to the entire background layer. Now move your cursor over the canvas and click anywhere inside it. Krita will instantly fill the unlocked background layer with the color you selected. If the layer was selected properly and unlocked beforehand, the whole background should change right away. If the fill doesn't behave the way you expected, double check that you're working on the correct layer and that the padlock has been turned off. That's usually the main reason the background won't change. Also, make sure you've selected the Fill tool and not a brush or selection tool by accident. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background color in Krita using a flat background layer. It's a quick and easy process once you know where the lock is and how to use the Fill tool. This is one of those small workflow tips that can save a lot of time every time you start a new project. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Krita tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other Krita features you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.